Is that a good waffle? Yeah. That's your second waffle. That's your second waffle. Plus you had your yogurt and blueberries and some raisins. Yeah. Waffle. You say waffle? Waffle. Waffle. And raisins. Don't forget to chew your food. Chew, chew. Are you finished? No? Is there anything in your bib? Any food in your bib? Let's see. Anything in there? No? A raisin. It's a bib raisin. Are you done? It's funny when Mommy sneezes. Are you finished? No? You gonna have more waffle? You have to say waffle? Did you make a poopy? Did you make a poopy? Kind of smells like you did. Yeah, stinky. Who's that over there? Who is that? Is that a kitty cat? Can you say cat? Yes, you're right. There's usually another one laying over there, but she's not there right now. You say cat? Kitty cat. Kitty cat. You say kitty cat? Okay, I think you're almost finished now. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Oh, you can say bye-bye, huh? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you tell me what a doggy says? What does a doggy say? Bow wow. Do you know what a monkey says? What does a monkey say? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What does a kitty cat say? What does a kitty cat say? Meow. Meow. That's what a kitty cat says. Meow. You say meow. You all finished? No more? Okay. Alright. Can you put it down? Put the plate down. And I don't mean on the floor. I mean on your table. No, no. Oh, great. And it's broken. And there's the broken plate. Alright. Lennon, that was not good. Mommy is not happy right now. But Mommy is staying calm. Yes, I know you broke the plate. We should rethink this plate thing. Okay, say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye?
Yeah.
Okay.